Brianna here. Guess what I just got from the mail? I finally ordered my first FabFitFun box, and it is the editor's box. I've never ordered this before. Like I mentioned, it's my first box, so I'm gonna unbox it with you guys, and I want you guys to join me. I am so excited. All right. So it's still sealed. See? It's still sealed. I have to look for something to open it. Maybe I can just use my nails. There we go. Okay. Let me take this here. Dun, dun, dun. I'm just gonna focus it on the box because my big fat belly is in the way all the time. So I guess I have the magazine here. Perks of my box. I'll just read that later. 15 and a $10 off coupon. A note from them. $50 off HelloFresh. Huh. Maybe I'll finally just try that. So here comes the fun part. You know what? I'll actually do it like this.
Alright, you guys, so here is my box. I'm going to open it. There you go. Oh my goodness. Tula. What is this? Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads for baby smooth skin. That smells good. How many is in here? There's 5. Let's see. Ooh. Treatment pad. Cool. What does this do? Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pads reveal brighter, visibly smoother, more even-toned skin in just a single use. We call it our instant facial. Interesting. Okay. I actually requested this one. Let me open it here.
This is from Ish Company Lip Statement Palette. It's hard working with one hand. Even though I have a tripod, I can't. Wow. There you go. Those are pretty colors. Can't wait to try them on. Alright. That's for that. You know, when I was ordering this, they said that they were out of that Foreo Luna facial thing. I was hoping I can get that, but that's okay. Maybe next time. What is this? Is it a bouncy ball? Magi Sports. What is it? It smells rubbery. Hold on. Trigger point ball. Okay, let's see. Oh. I see. It's kind of like what I do to a tennis ball when I have like a little knot on my back. I put this on my back and lay on it, and then I just roll the knot on it. Cool? Me and my husband can share that. This one, Mineral Hand Cream. There, Mineral Hand Cream. I'm using my phone. I always use my phone and it doesn't focus, but you know what that is. I'll take pictures of it later. Hand cream. Let me open it. Oh, I can't smell it. Hold on a second. Continue on the unboxing. So where we're at. This is what I have now. Right here. A Haba Mineral Hand Cream. Let's see. That smells good. smells really good. It smells good, but it's not my kind of smell. It smells more like a grandma lotion. But I'll wear it. It's fine. What else? I have Spawn Gel, papaya infused or body wash infused buffer. Oh, it smells good. That smells good. I think they have a little price list here. So I am just gonna put it on the, not on the information below, but like maybe right here. I'll put it, put the prices. So, ooh, I've heard a lot of good things about this. Let me try it on. Oh my god. It feels so good, like it's super soft on the eye and on the face. And it's cool. It's cold. I love it already. It is from, I think, Free People. Is it? Yeah, it's Free People. Definitely a keeper. Okay. Oof, ow. A makeup bag. Alright. It's nice quality. Nice. It's a makeup bag by Yumi Kim. I can't wait because in a couple of months it'll be my 7th year anniversary, and we are going to be going somewhere, nothing too big, just somewhere close, out of town, and I can't wait to use all of this for when I travel. So it's a pretty nice size makeup bag, toiletry bag. You can put your brushes in here, and it's good because it has a little cover, and then you can put your makeup in here, the big one. This one is, I think I saw this in a little ad earlier because I was anxiously waiting for it, so. It's a towel or something. It's a shawl. Whatever you call it, I'm keeping it. Yep, so that is it. It is now empty. And now I'm going to edit this box. I know it's not so well, it is exciting for me. I wish I had I got the Foreo Luna facial washer thingy though, because I really wanted that. But that's okay. I cannot wait to try this. Actually, let me swatch it out now. Wasn't there? Alright. Which one should I try? Let's see. Let's see the red one. Oh my gosh. Let's see the nude one. Up here. They're so pigmented. I'm gonna show you. Okay, let's see. I don't want to waste it, but they're so pretty. Look at that. Swatchy. I'm not good at swatching, but I'm running out of fingers here. Oh, let's try the purple one. Oh my god! They're so pigmented. I cannot wait to use this. No, I just wasted good good lip color. I am so excited to use this, you guys. Oh my god, I am happy. This is the most thing that I like. Yep, and then I can't wait to use this. Then I can't wait to use this. This one, I think I'm gonna just give this to my mom. yeah, I'm just gonna give this to my mom because I have a lot of hand cream, and I'm not really a big fan of the smell. So that's a no. Oh, I gotta wipe this. Now, all of the makeup gurus out there, after you swatch out your makeup, don't you ladies feel like you wasted makeup? I feel like I wasted this. And I don't know. I'm not a makeup person. I mean, I am, but I'm not like the best at it. I don't know what this is. But yeah, I think the prices will be in this one. And so I am done with my unboxing until the next. Oh, and here is my next favorite. I am going to be using this soon. So you guys, I hope you kind of had fun unboxing my first FabFitFun box with me. I am looking forward to ordering the next box available soon. And yeah, I cannot wait for that. Alright, you guys, have a good day. Bye.